Like a boom, shaka laka laka. Check it out, y'all. It's taco day, y'all. Finna hook up these tacos, y'all. Got my ground beef, y'all. Finna throw it in that thing, y'all. Finna get it simmered with my bell peppers and onions, y'all. Check me out, man. I'll be back. Peace out. Oh yeah, check it out, y'all. Got that meat in that damn pot. Oh yeah, showtime. Time for that dash. Yeah, get on in there. Get on in that thing. Love my dash. Oh yeah. Y'all gotta try this out, y'all. This right here. Oh, it changed the life. Put a little organic, no salt, baby. Whoa, check it out, y'all. Oh yeah, you see it. Oh yeah, I got a whole thing of beef in that. And then this one here ain't no but onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, a little sugar, and that's it. Check it out, y'all. Showtime. Gotta put a good amount of that in, y'all. I know it's mostly garlic powder, onion powder, flakes. Yeah. So we're going down in this bad boy. Look at this, y'all. Yeah, I gotta make sure it's covered, y'all. And no salt, just sugars, organic. So yeah, I go pop. All right, y'all. Check it out. Oh yeah, time to mix it in. Like mix it. Hey, check it out. Hey, check it out, y'all. Yeah, y'all see how the seasoning now. Let that cook down, y'all. Finna throw these bell peppers and onions in here. Yeah, y'all see it. Finna pour them in there. Pour it in there, y'all. Come on now, don't be scared. I love my bell peppers and onions. Oh yeah. Yeah, y'all see it. Now I gotta top it with that dash. Yes, check it out, y'all. I'll put that dash in there. Let that simmer down, y'all. Gonna be the best tacos, y'all. Y'all can check me out, y'all. I ain't playing no game. I'm just looking in there, y'all. Yeah. Hey, check that. Yeah. Y'all see it? I'm gonna get your top view. Woohoo! Yeah. Y'all see it. Then, while that's getting simmered down, pop this open, y'all, and add this in there too, y'all. I don't know, man. Y'all done had these tacos, y'all. Flavor already in it. Yeah. Check me out, y'all. Be right back. Let this simmer down. Be back. Boom. Check it out, y'all. Ooh, look at this, y'all. Oh, it's going down. Oh, yes. Oh. Hey. Oh, yeah. You working that pole, girl? She working that pole. Hey. Yeah, no. Let me see what she talking about on the pole. Who working that pole? Oh, yeah, they working that pole over there, yeah, my old Lord. Oh, yeah, they working that pole on my oak, yo. Hey. All right, now, back to this. All right, y'all, from the strain the juice off of this here. And then I'm going to add my good old Rotel tomatoes, y'all. Yeah, check me out, y'all. Be right back. Work. Oh yeah, check it out. Strain all that grease off, y'all. It's showtime, man. I'm finna get it right, y'all. Booyah, everybody. Before I add my meat back in the pan, I'm gonna add my tomatoes, y'all. And let them simmer real good. Oh yeah, it's going down. Get some tomatoes get up in there, y'all. Yeah. I ain't seen this. Let them baby break down. Check it out, y'all. See that right there? It's gonna throw me right on top of that sauce. Oh yeah, check it out, y'all. You see the tomatoes at the bottom, meat on the top, and let them baby just sweat at the bottom. Check it out. Whoop, there it is, y'all. The best tacos. Check them out. Oh yeah, and I got them bad old shells going in there already, y'all. Check me out, y'all. I ain't playing no game. I'm show you everything. Peace out. Oh yeah, check it out, y'all. Look at them pretty tomatoes, them bell peppers, onion. Tell me something good in the hood. Oh, look at that, y'all. Oh, look at that, y'all. Look at that. Oh yes. See all them pretty colors, y'all. Yeah, y'all see it. Look at that, y'all. You ain't lying. I ain't talking about no damn dog. Whoa, look at that, y'all. Look at them pretty colors, y'all. Yeah, it's cooked. Don't worry, y'all. Check on them tortillas. Oh, yeah, the shell's almost rectangle. Ow! Oh, yeah, y'all. I'm finna hook up these good old corn tortillas on a good old flat top, y'all. Got that butter. I don't want y'all thinking nothing else. It's the butter pan spray, y'all. Don't get it twisted, y'all. Calm down. Oh, yes. Showtime. Tortillas up there, baby. Showtime. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Check it out, y'all. Put that good old season on that tortilla, y'all. It's going down. Wait. Talk to me, y'all. Look at these good old tortillas. Hey. It's going down. I ain't playing no game. Trying to hurry them up, y'all. Yeah. Flip that baby over. Flip that baby over. Yeah. Get a little soul on it, y'all, real quick. I ain't playing no game. I'm trying to hurry. I got the munchies. Ooh-wee. That's good. Still buttery. Still soft. Fluffy. Yeah, still fluffy, y'all. Hey, yeah, look at them tortillas, y'all. I ain't playing no games. Ooh, close up. Yeah. Double flip. Wow. Yeah, we gotta close. It's so buttery. Get on in there. There we go.
It's your journey home in the Hyundai Tucson. Get 2.79% APR for 60 months on the Tucson with new inventory arriving daily. Visit buyhyundai.com today. Some hesitate, but not you. You don't mess with it.
Oop, that one mine. Two of them, look.
You don't question the decision. You double down.
Oh yeah, it's going down, baby. Yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, y'all. I'm gonna make me a quick snack, y'all. Tortillas, y'all. Ooh, whoa, whoa. And I'm gonna put me some cheese on top. You see, it's that Kraft, baby. Stop playing. Oh yeah, check it out, y'all. Make me a quick little snack. Oh yeah, gotta have the season on it, y'all. Check it out. Whoop, there it is. Oh yeah, y'all. Check it out. Ooh, look at that cheese, y'all. Ooh, nothing to add on my little old meat I put to the side, y'all. Put that on that bad boy. Ooh, yeah. Oh yeah, check it out, y'all. Ooh, whoa. Then I'm gonna get this bad boy right here. Let him all out, y'all. And make it old double decker. Get that boy right there. Whoa. Flip that on top. Check it out, y'all. Look at that cheese. Ooh, yeah. All right, y'all. Please subscribe. Peace out.